Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. This is Nabeel Ahmad and welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Nabeel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the responsive website which is PredEGM Shift. Now you can see I can create on mobile site as well. You can see on the mobile because it's a responsive website, and also I created on tablet tablet mode, alright, and also the laptop mode, and here you can see the PC mode. So basically it's a responsive website. When I restore and I refresh the portal, then you can see the great and animation. You can see this is the website which is made by HTML and CSS. Here I put just only a box of light blue color, and you can see here is the consequent tempers and so on. I use the language randomly. Just you can see here it's basically the best animation and the best website. Get started, you can see get started. If I see click on the learn mode, you can also see learn mode. You can see if I click arrow button, the arrow button will be showing you an down website. It's a one page website which is made by HTML and CSS, and here you can name your email and your message. When you send the message, you can see please enter @gmail.com. so when you send the message will be sent. Alright, now I want to show you that the laptop mode. You see it's a laptop mode. You can see it's a laptop mode, and here is the portrait mode, tablet mode, and here is also the mobile mode. So how's the website? Kindly comment and like this video.